Today, we are working with the Windows system. Let's go. Hey guys. Welcome back to another great tutorial with Flight Sim 205. Today I'll show you how to fix the issue where you can't open Task Manager. For an example, if I try to go to the Start menu, and go to the Windows System folder, and try to open Task Manager. To see that pops up an error saying, Task Manager has been disabled by your administrator, period. Okay, to fix this, go to the Start menu, and search for, Run. Now, type in Regedit. Now we are going to search for the Task Manager registration file. To start with, go to _current_user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, policies, and finally go to System. You should see two files. Select on this file that is called Disable Task MGR. Right-click on it, and select Modify. Now you need to change the value data from 1 to 0. 1 means true or yes, and 0 means false or no. What this does is that these numbers, which by the way is called the binary code, when we set this to 0, this will tell the system to set disabling Task Manager to false. Please excuse my voice, my vocal program is not all that well. Anyways, now you can press OK. You are ready to try it. A great shortcut to open the Task Manager is to press the following buttons, Ctrl, Shift, Escape. Or you can just do what you normally do to open it. This should have worked for you. If it did, congratulations. You did it. Please leave a like and subscribe to me. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Thank you and have a lovely day.